Any number of things can cause joint discomfort. It could be an old ski injury or an accident. It is often a result of excess weight being more than the joints can handle. Sometimes it's caused by a sedentary lifestyle. The afflicted areas are tender. You find yourself sitting when you'd rather be dancing. Introducing Joint Advance, a unique formula that goes beyond the ho-hum of ordinary products. There are many joint supplements on the market today. But Joint Advance is ahead of all of them, because it has so many all-natural herbal ingredients specially chosen to give you support. Glucosamine complex, chondroitin sulfate and MSM, all work together, to supply your body vital strengthening nutrition. We won't say Joint Advance is amazing, stupendous, or sensational. You've heard that before about other joint supplements. No, we'll just tell you Joint Advance is a logical, sensible formula set apart from ordinary joint supplements by a powerful combination of ingredients. Click the link in the description for product details and to try Joint Advance absolutely risk-free for 90 days.